Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Adiolua. Don't be scared. This is my hair, and I talk mostly for the moment about growing your natural hair. And don't envy me, okay? Wow, your hair is long. Not really. Well, it is, but this is several years old hair. You understand? So, yeah. It's not a 1 year old hair, it's several years. You understand, old hair, and the way it is. But we're surviving, we're loving our hair, is what we have, is what God has given us. So I mean, it's always great to work with what you have. It makes you a better and stronger person. Okay, now, so I'm planning to wash my hair, so I just thought, let me just do this quick video to tell you how I do it. Now, at the moment, I don't have access to a rich conditioning shampoo or a rich conditioner as it is. So I have to do my hair in such a way that when I wash it, it doesn't become, crunchy. When it dries, it doesn't become crispy and all of that. So how do I do that? I do what some people will call pre-poo. I don't like that word. Like, I guess the poo part is what I had issues with. But hey, so I do what some people call pre-poo, which is what you apply to your hair and your scalp before you wash it. So what I did was I added olive oil to my hair. I actually sectioned my hair in 4 places before and braided it, then tucked it in, so my hair was in like 4 ridges, so I used the oil. I applied the oil to my hair, and I used the oily hand to loosen the braids on the 4 sections and massage my scalp. And I had this cocoa butter cream that I'm not sure what the expiry date is, but I thought, well, it's cocoa butter and it's good for the hair. So that's an alarm, sorry. Yeah, that is good for the hair, as I was saying. And so I thought, you know what? Hey, what's the worst that can happen? So I just applied to my scalp, and I noticed that maybe because it contains glycerin, because I checked the ingredients, maybe because it contains glycerin, it sort of make my hair softer, so I added it to my scalp and all of that. So that's what I do with my pre-shampoo. Then I go wash my hair with the soap that I normally use, which is a Ghana made soap, not the basic Ghana soap. Yeah, so yeah, you can use any soap that you have available, not detergent, of course, but so so that's what I did. That's what I'm about to do. That's what I've been doing. So as soon as I'm off this video, I'm going to wash my hair. And then in my previous videos, I talked about how to dry your hair and with what to use to dry your hair and things like that. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and more videos on hairdo. Stay safe, stay calm, and follow the rules of staying healthy, and shalom.